People thinks or client thinks na pag one length, mabilis lang gupitin. Hindi po. Pinakamahirap ang maggupit ng one length or bob. Ang bilis makita eh, di ba? Pag one length, pag tumabingi ka lang, So what I'm doing is I'm just doing a blonde haircut, a short bob. So I'll show you how to do step by step. First is part it in the middle. Section your hair in 4 sections. Opposite side. Okay, so I separate the side. Now I'm going to the back. Make sure it's even. Again, no important thing that we have the right guideline, we have the right sectioning. Kailangan balance. So now I'm working on the lower sa nape area. This will be my guideline. Kasusundan ng crown and the sides and the front. Okay? So importante na magawa nyo ng tama itong guide nyo sa nape area. Kasi pag mali na yan, for sure, lahat yan hindi pantay-pantay. Okay? Remember, foundation is always important. So I'm going to the chin length. So if you look at it closely, this is what my aim. So take the middle section and cut it on my desired length. So make sure you have it straight, hindi crooked. Use a free hand cutting to get the desired length also, and then connect it to the side. Okay, so I got my first section straight, even, look at it. Now I'm going to the next section. Again, take 1 inch lang. Huwag yung madaliin kasi pag makapal, hindi siya napapantay. Again, I will start in the middle. Always start in the middle section. Head has to be chin down para makuha niyo yung length na desire nyo, and then it's even. Kasi pag nakadiretso, pag yumuko yan, makikita nyo hindi pantay-pantay. Pag nakadiretso naman siyang ginupitan, pag yuko niya, hindi siya magkapantay. Like if you can see, I'm keep on adjusting my mannequin head. Kasi depende, I want it to be able to get the right, all the lines straight, regardless naka-chin up siya or naka-chin down siya. So I'm following my guide. I'm working on my next section. Again, my fingers is straight. Another thing pala, people thinks or client thinks na pag one length, mabilis lang gupitin. Hindi po. Pinakamahirap ang maggupit ng one length or bob. Because it has to be even and balanced. Madali mag-layers. Layers hindi mo napapansin. Pero creating a bob or one length is the hardest because it has to be, everything has to be balanced and even. It's sections and sections, kailangan balance. Kasi pag, ang bilis makita eh, di ba? Pag one length, pag tumabingi ka lang, hindi pantay. I'm halfway there. See, I'm combing it on a natural fall with less tension. So, kumbaga alalay lang. I always keep my fingers straight so I can see my guideline para pantay siya. Or almost, actually, this is my last section. So, makikita nyo na yung buo, pagkabuo ng buhok. All our salons are open for accepting appointments. Just call all the mobile number. We have all the numbers in our social media. Products that you need, it's available. We have Wella and L'Oreal. Those are the products that we can send it to your house and deliver it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a good day. Have a nice week. Enjoy. Okay? Bye.